Hello, I need your full attention. We remember how you started with just 10 students. You traveled the tough part to serve hundreds of students over the years. You have taken hundreds of classes and solved thousands of doubts. You were, you are, and you will always be the hero of all your students. But doesn't every student deserve you as their hero? But how will every student reach out to you? Because your classrooms have limited seats, because they are hundreds of kilometers away, because you can't teach infinite batches, because you only have a physical presence, because you are not digital. Didn't you ever imagine expanding beyond your classrooms and use your videos, notes, and online tests to grow business exponentially? Let's go big. Let's go online. Build your coaching's online store.